Hello. So in this series of videos, I'm trying to create a desktop app for portfolio management or portfolio optimization with some machine learning tools. In this particular video, I would like to create like a wizard for the beginning when you don't have anything set up, something that lets you configure the database and make the initial data collection. So let's try. So this desktop app is made in Qt with Python. So let's see how far we can get. So probably I should put everything in here. Okay. So let's create. I would like to step configure database. I don't know. I don't remember a lot of QML, but we will figure it out. Step symbol list and the step initial data collection QML. Everything is QML in here, and then let's set up wizard.qml. And in the main.py, let's just not open the main window, which is the app main. Let's see if we can. I can call with subfolders. I'm not sure. Can I do something like this? It's obviously not going to work. You need wizard like this, probably not. And let's cut everything. Something like this. For now, just let's create a rectangle. Easy, with nothing. Something like this. Not with a parent. Okay. What happens if I run it? UV run Bishusha UI, yes. Desktop main. Okay. Because you can add it at least a few weeks ago to UV because of some error. Let's add it via pip. 153 megabytes and 90. Okay. German download the speed, so it can take a while. So the fact that I'm using a new user for everything, it's a bit problematic, at least in the beginning, because I don't have anything installed here. But it's okay. It's not that long. Perfect. Let's see if it runs. Okay. This is also something I'm missing. Okay, but this is something that I should launch the wizard if the configuration file is not present. So what happened? Oh my god. So I'm training a machine learning model in another activity, so maybe this is killing everything. Or just OBS. What happened with this? instead. This Kiki, this is my computer. Oh my god. Okay. So because configure AP client, I don't remember where the configuration file is loaded. Probably when I start the API, load configuration from local conf. Exactly. What happens if this is not present? I should. How can I launch the API? I cannot. So because I need the database URL and which thing I'm using for collecting everything. So in this case, how can I do this? I can delay launching the API until this is. No, okay, maybe we can do something like this. Instead of raising a not found error, maybe we can just return a configuration with everything empty. In this but it's going to give me an error of validation probably. So oh no, this everything is optional. So okay, of course it's going to give me exactly. Okay, this is in main. It's not known. Okay, nothing. It's not known. It's not. It's known. At some point, I will have an error of. Okay, it launched our. Apparently, no, model name and wizard not found. Okay, that is what we wanted. So this is just the main window. Let's go to here. Load from module in quick view. Maybe I should add a subfolder. Oh my god, everything is. What is going on? Quick view. This is load from module. Oh, and we have app. Okay, this is okay. Let's see. Set up wizard main. Okay, not this. Let's run. No module name. Okay, app setup wizard. Why not? Main QML. Can I do like this? Maybe I should add it as a folder. No, this is going to be exactly because this is in the here. Maybe I can do like setup main QML. How can I add a folder here? Okay, let's do like this. So I can do something like this probably. Oh god. Wizard, set up wizard. Come on. Okay. So we have this. Maybe I can just, I don't know if nested QML dir works. Okay, let's try it quickly. Can I do? But how can I do this? No, okay. Maybe one figure it out later. It doesn't matter. So we have our thing. So maybe we can have it something like this. Do I need the other ones? Probably yes. No, okay, let's do like this. Paste. Module. Setup wizard main is main. This thing is this thing. Yeah, okay, I already did one. Oh. It's going to complain about empty files probably. QML. Then I need something like this. Let's remove this thing. And then can I add something like this as a submodule? No. Maybe nested. Just for the submitter request, now import. It seems not possible to hold it out. Google Chrome just crashed. Oh, my computer is actually crying for help, eh? Nested QML dir. So, okay, let's just do one. How to put multiple chickens in one component and multiple? No. Okay. Just I'm sure there is a way, but I'm not really that interested in figuring out. We can see later. Let's call it setup wizard main. We have step setup wizard step. The card is super long name. We have 2 times initial data collection. I don't know why. The first step will be configure database. Okay, so now it's working. I was training a machine learning model in another tab, and it was eating all the GPU memory. But now, okay, it works. We cannot see anything, but at least it's working. So let's try to. I think it's something like this. And it's not like this. Parent anchor dot field parent of field parent, so we can have everything green. That's okay. Let's also the layout, making like this. Maybe we can do layout, I don't know, 1/3, and maybe I can just here can I do some, this is boolean, fill width, fill height. No, fill width, who told me this fill width, I don't know. No, it's not like this, because like this no, whose layout alignment instead 16. No, it shouldn't be, this should be layout. There is a way for saying use the remaining space, I'm sure there is. Preferred weight, minimum, left margin, fill width, fill weight, exactly. What I did there, probably I was using another thing. Fill, this is true. Fill width, also true. Can we see anything here? This is still white, the size is correct at least. Maybe here I should put, this is, I should do something like this. Okay, so we have our green thing coming from the, okay, the parent. Maybe we can put the color here, just to see if this is working. It's not working. Why not? We have green rectangle like this sidebar, and then we have the other thing which is loading this. If I change something like this, it was blue, it is blue, so not this one. Maybe because of the height, probably, fill height, true. Maybe brown is not the color. Okay, now it's working. There is a little gap in between, probably because of the raw layout. But okay, I don't mind. So here I would like to have kind of a list. List view in QML. There's a way to do it. Can I define the model here inside? There are just 3 steps. I don't need that much. List view. I don't want to. Maybe we can define it just in model. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. List element. Something like I know we I really need some coloring here. Configure database and select symbols. Collect data, basically. This is our model. What happens if I do this? Can I see something? Nothing. I need a delegate, of course, because it doesn't know how to render anything. So we just require property string name. We use name, just name, text name. Let's see if we can see something. Nothing at all. It's missing something for something like this. Yes, okay, we can see something, a disaster, but we can see it. Okay, in the delegate, maybe we can use, how can we do something nice? Something like this, but nicer. Let's, maybe we can use, okay, a rectangle. Maybe we can put all of this inside. Can call, okay, how can I just fill anchors, fill with parent? Can I do this? I don't think so, no. No, of course not. Anchors QML, maybe I can ask, I can ask Copilot. Oh, I can use, what does Copilot say? How can I make the rectangle inside the list delegate to occupy the whole width of the list, of the list view, basically. Was really easy, but I can see anything. QML company cannot delegate. The property name was not initialized. What? Okay. Here. This okay. But then why is doing and hate? Yeah. He's not using the okay. Why that big? How can I make an automatic hate based on text? Okay. Can I make automatic hate? How can I do? Or based on font size? Blah blah blah. Oh, exactly. Does it work? This thing like this? Okay, not bad. Let's put something like this. Can I make text font? Can I make some auto complexion here because it's insane. Preferences, extension. What is a good extension for QML? Who knows? This is the official one, but it's going to ask me for subscription and everything. Let's trust the Baptist. Okay, unless we have coloring. QFont, QML. Maybe it's font. Bold real font is font bold true. Okay, that makes sense. I would like to have an auto refresh for here. Configure database, select symbol. Okay, let's just ask this guy. Can you make the rectangle with an hover effect and text align to the sand? Exactly. This is on the mouse area. Exactly. This is inside the rectangle. Let's put the height over here so we don't miss anything. The mouse area, I guess it makes sense. Let's see the colors. Anchor center in parent, but I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. this is on enter, on exit. On enter, on exit. This is transparent. This is when I click. It's not when I'm on enter. Mouse area QML. There is not unclicked, unclicked. On enter. Contain mouse. It's only working in clicks. Actually exist? Yes. That was present in there. Okay, amazing. Okay, this is awful, but it's working. So maybe we can add. Can I get the text QML? Come on. Bottom padding, left padding, padding in general. Okay, I need a library. I need to see how can I make a live review out of this. This is super big for a and then probably I would need some here. Can I add some padding here? It has padding. Yes, that has padding. Maybe the rectangle. It's not has padding, the rectangle. Maybe I can add some margin. The rectangle, what does it have? Rectangle. Cute. QML. Border, color, gradient, radius, border width. So I cannot add some margin, some padding. I should do it at layout level. Row layout, but I would like to add some how can I maybe I can ask just is it padding what I want? So is a margin of the list view or a padding of the rectangle? Displays, highlight, prefer spacing, but the spacing will be between the items probably, right? What if I do list view spacing 5, I will get spacing, okay, which is reasonable. And this is everything with anchors. This inside. This is this rectangle. Can I use it? What do we see now? Do we have a margin? I don't see that margin at all. Maybe here. Because it was margin from the. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, now it's working. Now we have the margins of the list view. Okay, we have this. It's awful, but let's also remove the red color. The red color is coming from the brown color. This brown color. Let's remove it. Maybe we can use some other color. Let's. Should we have a warning? No. Maybe we can here put like light gray, and when it's on enter. light blue. Okay, later we're going to define some more clear. This is completely awful, eh? Yeah, let's put some. Like, if we can see it smaller. Okay. It's terrible, eh? It's going to get better. But at least let's go forward with the rectangle. So let's see. Do we have the form layout is still present in QML? Form layout in Qt? Form layout. No, probably just the grid. Okay, let's grid layout. This label, probably just text. Text QML. Do I have a label? Probably not label. Label is text styling and font grid. Okay. Text. For now, database URI. Then we can. That's it. Maybe we can autocomplete here with the home folder, probably. This is okay. This is also. Maybe we can add here current step. On clicked. No, I don't like this. This is gonna step. How do I know which one I am? Maybe we can do a step 0. Step 1. This is the logic I want to put in the QML. Just not much more than this. Otherwise, it becomes impossible. But int. Can I use int number? I don't know the step. On clicked. How can I ask? How can I access? Okay, maybe probably if. Okay, it's a step. And for the loader, maybe we can do. No, maybe we can do here. This because this is something I do in some place, right? We have a step configure database, step symbol list, the step I don't know how he remember. There was an error. Can assign the current step to this should be property. Can I do something like this? Property QML. Property type name is default required with only property int current step 0. Okay, not bad. So this should be okay. This should be a modal window. It should be that big. Okay. We can modify it later. Grid layout. I can add also some widget configuration, basic widget configuration from Qt, I think. Oh my god. Grid layout, okay. Main QML. Let's First, trying to occupy the whole space. Fill with true, this is okay, but maybe because it was not using the whole space that I had at the beginning. Okay, this is awful. It hurt my eyes. Okay. I will try later to put some more decent style here. Select symbols. So, one thing I will, okay, it's a bit more complicated than that because we should select which provider for the symbols we want to use. For example, if I want to use Y Finance or just an API that one can use, so maybe I can do it in the same page. This is ticker discovery provider. This can be exactly combo box, Y Finance. Oh, this actually hearing me. And I'm using financial modeling prep, something like this. This is not an advertising. This is what I'm using. I'm paying for that. Okay, financial modeling prep. Yeah, maybe we can add more later. I don't know if we can discover tickers via this way, but if we select this, we need the token for this thing. But okay, this will, because if you're going to use the same API for ticker discovery and the same API for collecting, I should ask the one time the token, right? So let's add nevertheless label text field. No, this is token or credentials, API credentials. This will be AP key. And then I should have some kind of button for no, I should have a button for get the tickers, and then I should have like a table view with the tickers, and we can select it with the no. This should have a model in Python for passing to the next step, which will be something similar. Let's remove the color. So for the next video, I will, or for the next part of the video, I don't know if I'm going to split it or not. I will put some style and try to make it a little clearer, the complete set of steps. So I will have, so this is going to be more or less the same. This is a data or tickers history provider. We can select one, the credentials. This I should have here the list of the selected tickers somehow. Selected tickers. I can have, for example, text starting collecting, start selecting collection date. I would like to have a collect and some progress bar probably. There is a progress bar, something like this. So we like to configure the database. I should have the next and previous buttons, right? For making it a more wizard thing. So I know how much we can configure here. At the beginning we'll be just putting the URL, let's see later. Okay, this is broken. Table view is not a type. Let's remove it for now. It's not a type. I should import something else probably, right? Import Qt quick. Table view column, because this is the old way of defining a table. Where is it? This thing. Okay. I don't care. It is not unique. 32 step initial data collection. 32. Okay. Ticker discovery provider API key. Probably the same is going on here. This will be ticker history provider. This will be ticker history provider API key. This is the first one. The second one is still broken. Why? I don't know. I should specify the number of columns. Symbol is 43. Line 43. Oh, you're right. Grid layout columns 2. Can I say grid layout? Let's see. Columns 2. Property value set multiple times, 13 and 14. Which file? Step symbol list. Here. 13 and 14, you're right. Let's remove the color. Let's put also in here 2. Maybe we should add 3. Okay. Select symbol is still broken. Maximum. Because of the progress bar. Okay, enough. No, the autocompletion is terrible. Progress bar QML. Intermediate position 2. Value is the other thing. Yes. Okay. So the idea will be, I will try to make it a bit better and we can work in the logic. So configure the database, having some way to get a list of tickers for collecting. We can, okay, have the table of selected ticker. The collection date should give us from which date to start until today, and then calling collect and wait for the thing to end. Maybe the progress bar we can put it outside. Start collection date. Maybe we can do. There is a date picker, which will be really cool for if we have one. We don't have a date picker, but this is in step initial data collection. This is selected tickers. I put it. Yes, I put it in the wrong file. Amazing. Let's put it here. This is what just happened when you are recording. Okay. Date picker is not a type. No, I guess date picker is not a type. Date picker QML. There is a calendar. Okay, why not? Why not? But it can be. There is something I should be able to click. Otherwise, I don't want a big calendar in there. Oh, this is going to be terrible. It's going to put me a calendar in the middle of the page. Still not. Calendar is not the type. This Qt5. Import Qt. This is Qt6. More. Calendar namespace. Okay, we have to implement it. Calendar model. Provides away month grid instances. Oh. Okay, we have to implement it. Okay. What's this thing does, for example? Just for me to know. What? Calendar model is not a type. Oh my god. Calendar model. Import Qt Labs calendar 1.0. Qt Labs calendar is not installed. Okay. We can implement it, everything. I won't be copying more code. Okay, so let's make a placeholder form. Let's make a placeholder for calendar. Exactly. Okay, so for the next time, it's still broken. No, enough with the. Okay, right now, yes, for the next time. I will arrange all of this so we can have a more decent presentation to work with and try to work in the logic. So we should think of if the configuration is not present, launch this wizard as a modal window, and at the end this should not only create a configuration file but also start collecting the data for being able to run the main app, let's say. But I promise I will try to make this a bit more decent to look at. Okay, but at least we have the idea of how this will work. So we have the configuration. We're going to select the list of tickers and the collect data. I will try to create a UI and then we work in the logic in the next video. Okay. A bit chaotic, but okay. Okay, bye-bye.